Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Spume token. Now the Spume token is just about to get a brand new central exchange listing just starting today, September 2nd. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here, the Spume token. So ticker symbol is Spume. Name of the token is Spume Protocol. Today, September 2nd, this token is being listed at 14 hours UTC time on Mexc Global. Now, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. So basically, if you wanted to get this token, all you'd have to do is just go right through that Mexc referral code down there in the description box, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section today at 14 hours UTC time, and you'd simply just buy the token by searching Spume, which is the ticker symbol. Their official Twitter is at Spume.io. They're actually verified on Twitter. They have 60,700 Twitter followers. They're doing very well. It says, largest holder-owned tokenization protocol. Hold Spume tokens to share in the revenue. Buy, sell, and create NFTs in art, music, and physical goods. They also have a link tree on their Twitter here. And their newest tweet and pinned tweet here from 18 hours ago is talking about their new Mexc Global listing. Now, I actually saw this token listed on CoinGecko about a week ago. Just got a brand new listing about a week ago. And looking on CoinGecko yesterday, it was up 29%. So maybe that was because of the Mexc Global announcement. People were excited that, there's going to be more people seeing this token on Mexc. And today it's down 3.4%, which isn't much, but, maybe it'll go back up once it gets listed. So Spume.io is their official webpage. This is an Ethereum token. They do have their Etherscan here on CoinGecko. It says they have a total supply of 100 million tokens. Right now they have 996 holders, so almost 1,000. 4,299 transfers, 18 decimal places. They actually have a full white paper as well listed here on their Etherscan. They also have a contact email, Twitter, LinkedIn, Telegram, and Discord. So their white paper is 29 pages. It says the first fully decentralized community-owned NFT marketplace on Ethereum, Polkadot, and Binance Smart Chain. Spume is a community-governed, holder-owned NFT marketplace that facilitates the non-fungible tokenization of physical and digital assets and removes brokers, banks, and other centralized authorities from unjustifiably taxing the transactions and property of individuals. Our vision with Spume is the complete removal of all intermediaries that prey on individuals during the trading and digital of physical goods. This covers a broad range of markets. Everything from artwork to real estate will be tokenizable and tradable on Spume's marketplace. All revenue generated from Spume's marketplace is given directly back to Spume token holders. The marketplace and all decisions on development are now controlled by Spume token holders with a governance system unlike anything ever seen before. Spume Protocol is an end-to-end transactional layer that facilitates payment infrastructure for physical and digital non-fungible token assets on the Ethereum blockchain. The Spume Protocol will enable anyone to build branded and personalized NFT storefronts, complete with on-chain payment processors while being able to tokenize both physical and digital assets. These can include, but are not limited to, digital, physical art and real estate, intellectual property and its licensing, patents, and luxury goods. This opens the Spume protocol up to all specific industries and allows users to conduct tokenized assets finance efficiently. So yeah, they go over an NFT artwork analysis on their white paper here, and yeah, there's a pretty lengthy section about that, and they talk about NFT ownership rates. It says 2.8% the percent of Americans that own an NFT in 2022, and we are probably all one of them, right? I'd assume almost all my viewers own at least one NFT. By the way, I do have some really good NFTs. I have an OpenSea in the description box down there. Some really good NFTs there from medium expensive collections that I put on for super cheap. So if anybody wants to check those out, you can. Then it goes over on their white paper, why would we choose Ethereum? So they're going to have cross-chain compatibility here, it says too, with Polygon, Moonbeam, and Binance Smart Chain, as well as Ethereum. Their target markets for this project are creators, investors, token holders, and everyday consumers. It says, in conclusion, the way that Spume is structured aims to target every corner of the cryptocurrency space as we know it today. There is utility available to every user on Web3 built into this apparatus. Then it goes over platform overview. So it has the NFT artwork platform, the real estate platform, the licensing platform, and the ticketing platform. So let's see if we can find a roadmap on here. Tell us what's going on here. It's got upcoming features. They're going to have an NFT music studio eventually. And yeah, so the Spume token, ticker symbol Spume, ERC20 token, 18 decimal places, 100 million tokens. So there's going to be a DAO. You're going to get voting rights for this token. And it's split up like this. 16% goes to liquidity, 15% partnerships, 7% private sale, 2.5% public sale, 15% team, 13% marketing, and 30% DAO. And let's see here. Got a vesting schedule on here. Talks about the DAO a little bit more on their so here's the roadmap. We'll just go over this. We could wrap this video up after that. So it says that they started in Q3 2022 with public sale, central exchange, decentral exchange listings, a testnet and mainnet for NFT artwork. Then coming up in the future, we're going to have NFT real estate, NFT licensing and royalties, DAO governance, NFT ticketing, and yeah, then it all goes live. Now, I'm not a financial... their team actually is doxed too on this page too, which is good to see. And maybe they have an audit or something somewhere. I never saw one yet, but they might have an audit or KYC on their webpage. Spume.io. Let me click on that real quickly. Let's see. We are launched. Let me scroll all the way down to the bottom. I have a contact email there. You could subscribe to a newsletter. Yeah, their partners are on here. Yeah, I don't see an audit. Maybe they do have an audit somewhere though. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about Spume? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace.